tell us what was the inspiration. This has been a huge success. This is number 5 for your fans that can participate. What was the inspiration to launch this giveaway?
Truthfully, I couldn't get one. And here you go.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, what was that?
A Hellcat?
Couldn't get a jailbreak. They're already gone, or however it works. I don't know. But, I used to work closely with the guys at Dodge, and I told them what I wanted to do and that I wanted an allocation, but it wasn't going to be for me. I was going to give it away. And, they helped me get one through a dealer. And so what I think is really cool about it is, and really fun, is the winner's going to get to come here, hang out, have some Texas barbecue, drink some beers, and design their own car. Whereas there's other, I'm not, this ain't rocket science. I'm not inventing something different. People give away cars. You're trying to drive traffic to the site and stuff like that. But this is, I think, the first instance ever that you're going to be able to sit down and design your own car. The really cool thing about this is the winner is going to get to spec out exactly what they want. And I don't care. I don't care if they want it purple with white interior. Go for it. Let's do it.